This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. In today's video brought to you by the luxury world, we will discuss one of the questions that have been in the watch community lately. Are Rolex prices going to shoot up? We will also be providing you with an honest market update, so join us as we go in further. If you still have not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do it now so you can stay updated on our future videos. Watches are a product of passion since their value appreciation is seen as a bonus. Yet, even if the value decreases, you will still have what you love, so it all depends on your level of devotion and risk-taking capability. Each year, we expect a lot of changes within the watch industry, especially with the top luxury brands in the market like Rolex. Apart from the fact that certain watches can come and go, everyone is also curious to witness how the market will settle. So it's something that happens when watches get discontinued. It's important to bear in mind that discontinued watches will surely go up in value, but they are not going to go up straight away. It also depends on your goal of keeping the watches. If it's rising and you're making a good profit, or you bought it at a premium price and are now receiving your money back, the best course of action would be to sell it, since if it doesn't go out, you are going to have to wait another year. It's just a matter of holding out or selling it upset. One of the good things to keep in mind is that act in opposition to the market, such that if the market is rising, you should be selling, and if it's declining, you grab the chance to purchase. Another factor to consider is not all marketers are the same. The US and UK market varies from each other, but lately, these two picked up. The market has begun to stabilize and is also beginning to sell more watches. The watch industry can be seen negatively, but is inevitable. One thing regarding the watch industry that you should know is that these timepieces will continue the trade regardless of what is happening around the globe. No matter what, they will always sell whether there is a preventative measure. Individuals will be purchasing and holding out till they resume their ascent. And as they are ascending, people are engaged in trading since they are more interested in joining the bandwagon. Avoid buying into the claims that the watch market is dying. Although pre-owned Rolex watch prices have been falling this year after reaching a peak in the spring last year, experts say their long-term investment returns continue to hold their own. What matters the most is that your money is secure if you purchase items that you intend to wear, use, and enjoy for a reasonable period. The market isn't fully open yet since the pandemic happened, yet people are still buying and selling, earning, and most significantly, momentum is something to keep in mind when you are enjoying. Many claim that the watch industry is dying, and it's in the United Kingdom and here in the United States, but we're not seeing anything at all. Simply said, it's not happening at the moment. They are in a watch market obviously, and this is the type of market that will continue to strive and flourish no matter what the situation in the overall market will take place. There is a stronger financial standing with currency conversion as well, and anyone around the world is interested in venturing into the world of watches. Rolex has provided a greater return on investment than gold, stocks, and real estate. Supply is one factor that has contributed to the recent rapid increase in Rolex prices. Rolex produces roughly 800,000 watches annually, but due to the brand's fame, demand far outstrips supply, creating a thriving secondary market for pre-owned watches. It's worth twice as much or 3 times what you paid before you leave the store. Inflation is expected to continue to increase demand and prices for Rolex in the upcoming year. People are still interested in buying, and that's a good indication of purchasing watches. You are aware that you should continue buying watches and making purchases, just making sure you are affected by the negative things you see in the media. Probably, you are also wondering what you should buy and what you should pass in the current market. We are going to take a quick overview of the watches that you should buy and what you should avoid buying. Let us start with the Rolex Datejust. With its case, there are just 41mm cases, and depending on the dial combination you should buy definitely. But the steel and gold are a pass or not, because that's an endless watch and many watches can offer the same materials. Now let us move forward with the Rolex Explorer 2. It's a good buy, especially the polar white black. Also, the Submariner No Date is a buy, as well as the Submariner Date is also a yes. It's also a big yes for Starbucks and Batman and Batgirl. For Rolex Pepsi, it's a buy, especially the one in a Jubilee and Oyster steel case. The benefits of collecting Rolex timepieces are numerous. The potential of Rolex investments is one of the strongest arguments. the value of your Rolex watch might rise over time. Also, there's no formula to predict whether the cost of a specific Rolex model will increase or decrease. Watch prices have increased quickly over time, making these pieces a wise investment. At the end of the day, you will end up getting the Rolex watch you truly want, or you pass up and wait for another time to buy the perfect one. What are your thoughts on the honest market update about Rolex you have watched in this video? We would like to see your answers and opinions in the comment section. If you liked this video, we will be glad if you let us know that too. Don't forget to follow us and give us a thumbs up. Once again, this is The Luxury World, and we look forward to seeing you again in our future videos.